Alright people, the session is very important because I'm going to tell you how realistic your expectations are. What your expectations are and what reality is are two different things, isn't it? Sometimes we expect things from people. Not sometimes, a lot of times we do that, although we should not, but it happens. So today I'm going to teach you obligation, which is nothing but things you are supposed to do, which people expect from you. Okay? There are three different ways using which we can be obliged to people. There are three different ways which we can use obligation for. Okay? And we are going to use this expression which is be supposed to. Come on, what is it? Be supposed to. Be supposed to, right? Be here is am or are. It is, am or are in present tense, and in past tense you will write was or were. So don't be confused. Okay? Right after this you will use first form of the verb. Remember that. Okay? After to you will use first form of the verb. Always remember that. Okay? What are we doing? Obligations. Okay? Let's get started with the first use of it. The game is supposed to begin at 9 a.m. Has the game begun? Are we expecting something to happen? They are supposed to vote by secret ballot. Has the voting begun? Are we expecting it to happen? So when you expect something to happen, you use be supposed to plus first form of the verb. Okay, let's write it down. When you expect something to happen. So when you expect something to happen, you use be supposed to. This is the first use, right? Now you tell me, what do you expect to happen? Make a sentence like similar sentence like this. What do you suppose? What you supposed to happen? Make a sentence, please. Use your own sentence. I give you one.
Train supposed to arrive at 8.
Train supposed to or train is supposed to?
Train is supposed to.
Make a sentence which shows when someone expects something to happen. Make one sentence. Come on. Train is, or you should use the train is. The train is supposed to arrive at 8 a.m. Abu, make a sentence.
The rain is supposed to happen this afternoon.
The rain is supposed to happen. You should say it is supposed to rain this afternoon.
It is supposed to rain this afternoon.
Yes, it is supposed to rain this afternoon. Okay. Yes, Rahul.
We are supposed to meet at noon.
We are supposed to meet at noon. Very good. That's a good sentence. Sneha, what do you think?
Dinner is supposed to serve at 7.
Supposed to serve or supposed to be served?
Supposed.
Now see here, after this you can use be also. Be is also first form of the verb. Okay. The dinner is supposed to be served at 7 p.m. Very good. Now let's go on. This is the first one. When someone expects something to happen, you use be supposed to. Be supposed to is also used to expect something from somebody's behavior. Okay? Like this sentence. Take a look. I am supposed to go to the meeting. My boss told me that he wants me to attend. Now, this is part of my company law. Because I have to follow the orders of my boss, I am supposed to do that. What am I supposed to do? I am supposed to follow the company law and follow the boss. Right? Now you tell me, Rahul, make a sentence where you use be supposed to as a part of behavior expectation. Behavioral expectation, you can also call it. Yes, please.
You are supposed to say please and thank you.
Very good. Good sentence. You are supposed to say please and thank you. So when you do this, you become social. People like you, right? So part of your behavior, isn't it? Yes, Ritika.
I am supposed to keep the information confidential.
Very good sentence. I am supposed to keep the information confidential. This is part of our personal behavior. Very good. Manish.
He's supposed to clean her shoes in the
He's supposed to or he is supposed
He's supposed to clean his shoes in the evening.
Clean his shoes, okay? Alright. I mean, cleaning shoes is it's a good habit, part of behavior. Yes, sir.
You are supposed to take your shoes in the entering the house.
You're supposed to, I think he has made this sentence already. You are supposed to take off
You're supposed to take off your shoes entering the house.
before entering the house.
Before entering the house.
Speak the sentence again.
You are supposed to.
Anybody who can try? Rahul.
You are supposed to stop at red light.
You're supposed to stop at a red light. It is part of your behavior on the road. You know, road ethics. One more sentence. Take off your shoes before entering the house.
You are supposed to take off your shoes before entering the house.
That's right. You're supposed to take off your shoes before entering the house. This is the second use of supposed to. When you are talking about behavior, right? When you expect somebody to behave in a certain way, you use be supposed to with it. Okay? Third, in the past, you have some expectations, had some expectations in the past, and they were not fulfilled. So they are unfulfilled expectations, right? So you use, instead of is, am, are, what do you use in the past? Was and were. You use was and were. Now, Suresh was supposed to call me tonight. Did he? No. What happened? I wonder why he didn't. It means what I expected of Suresh and what he did are two different things. It means that difference between my expectations and the reality, there is a huge difference between them, right? The difference between them is huge, right? What was I expected? No. What I expected and what happened are different things. Same. Can you make a sentence where was with singular subject and were with plural subject is used. Come on, make a sentence, Abu.
The flight was supposed to leave at 6, but it was delayed.
The flight was supposed to leave at 6, but it was delayed. So what happened here? What is the reality? Flight delayed. Flight is delayed. Reality is this. And what was supposed to happen? It was supposed to arrive on time. So there is a difference in reality.
No,
And what
it
is
was supposed to leave on.
leave on time? Sorry. So the flight was supposed to leave on time or arrive on time. It can be either ways.
He was supposed to help me move, but he didn't show up.
Good. He was supposed to help me move, but he didn't show up. The reality is, he's nowhere. And what I was expecting of him, he was supposed to come and help me move. Did he come? Is he a good friend? Not a good friend. Right? So what I expected and what happened in reality are two different things. Remember that. Okay? Next. Now, I've written some situations where you are going to make sentences on your own. Remember that? Always remember, after the subject, you use be and then supposed to and then verb first form. Remember, this is the structure that you need to follow. Okay? I am supposed to. He is supposed to. They are supposed to. He was supposed to. She was supposed to. They were supposed to. Remember that. This is how you make the sentences. And we use it in three different ways. Number one, when someone expects something to happen. Right? Number two, behavioral expectations. When you expect some sort of behavior from people. You are supposed to take off your shoes before entering the house or the house. And third, when you have expectations in the past which are unfulfilled. You use was and were in this case instead of is MR. Okay? We'll take a look at that. Okay? Now, a traffic light turns red. What are you supposed to do? When a traffic light turns red, what are you supposed to do?
I am supposed to be stopped.
To not be. I am supposed to
Supposed to
stop. Why stopped? Can't you see first form of the verb? Why are you saying stopped? I am supposed to stop.
I am supposed to stop.
That's it. Alright? You are involved in a road accident. What are you supposed to do if you are involved in a road accident? You are involved, either you hit somebody or you got hit.
I'm supposed to stop.
I'm supposed to stop and help or ask for help. Yes. Prior to take off in an airplane. What are you supposed to do prior to take off in an airplane?
I am supposed to check in.
I'm supposed to
Check in.
check in. Very good, Manish. I am supposed to check in. Very good. Abu, athletes in training. One thing that they are supposed to do, one thing that they are not supposed to do. Athletes in training.
Athletes in training are supposed to drink
A
water.
lot of water.
A lot of water.
They are supposed to drink a lot of water. And what are they not supposed to do?
Athletes in training are not supposed to slack off from their training. Athletes in training are not supposed to eat junk food in their training.
That's right. So athletes in training are supposed to drink a lot of water. And athletes in training are not supposed to eat junk food. Okay? Very good. If an ambulance comes up behind, what are you supposed to do? I'm supposed to give way. Okay? So ambulance means somebody needs help. Medical help. You are supposed to give way. Very good. Amazing. What were you supposed to do yesterday? Give me one thing that you were supposed to do yesterday.
I was supposed to reach on time
The class?
to my office.
Okay, you were supposed to reach on time. Alright? Anything else? What are you supposed to be doing right now? Right now means ing. To be doing. I'm supposed to be speaking English right now. I'm supposed to be subscribing to the channel right now. Right? I'm supposed to be sharing this video with a lot of people right now. And I'm supposed to be bringing chocolates for everybody right now. Right? Understood? So there are three uses of be supposed to show obligations or expectations that are expected of you. Now you have, and when you expect something to happen, then you have behavioral expectations, and when you have unfulfilled expectations, you use be supposed to. Be supposed to is nothing but a hint that is given between what is expected and what is reality. This comes between these two things. Alright? So I hope you learned and you are going to make sentences out of it, right? Thank you so much.